I'm Councillor Richard Church, Cabinet Member for a Safer Powys and Lead Member for Safeguarding. Today, Audit Wales published their review of the Council's corporate safeguarding arrangements. Their latest review has found that the Council had met or partially met some of the recommendations from reviews they published in 2014 and 2015. However, Audit Wales have found that the Council still does not have proper control of its corporate safeguarding arrangements, which exposes both the Council and its residents to risk. However, I want to reassure residents that Audit Wales had no concerns over the safeguarding arrangements that are in place in our education or social care settings. Audit Wales have provided recommendations which focus on the whole Council that will be used to help the Council urgently strengthen its corporate safeguarding arrangements. Although this is a disappointing review, we are committed to meeting all of the recommendations and securing the improvements to ensure that the arrangements we have in place keep our residents safe from harm and abuse. Before we received the review findings, the Council had already identified a number of actions to improve our corporate safeguarding arrangements. In the summer, we put in place an action plan to drive improvements, and we have started to implement this plan, including approving a corporate safeguarding policy. The policy sets out for everyone at the Council their duty to know how to spot people at risk of abuse and to know what to do about it. It also provides a framework to prevent neglect and report abuse in respect of all people in Powys, young and old. One of the recommendations from Audit Wales is around the compliance rate of mandatory safeguarding training. I will be ensuring that all county councillors, as well as members of staff, complete this vital training. We have reviewed and updated our action plan to ensure it fully addresses the recommendations outlined by Audit Wales to guarantee that we are on the right path to strengthening our corporate safeguarding arrangements. Every member of staff and every councillor has a responsibility to ensure that the people they deal with through their work are safe from harm and abuse, and that they know how to identify people who may be at risk and to alert the right people as quickly as possible. Implementing all of these recommendations will be vital to ensuring that residents are kept safe from harm and abuse. Thank you.